tutorial, we're going to teach you how to uniquely name an SPS985 and how that will benefit you when scanning for devices in SCS900. So the first thing you want to do is turn on the unit and check and make sure the Wi-Fi indicator is flashing. If the Wi-Fi indicator is not flashing, what you're going to want to do is press and hold the power button for about 30 to 60 seconds to reboot the unit. You'll see the GPS and radio indicators come on solid, and once they do, then you can let go of the power button and the Wi-Fi indicator should start flashing. So we're going to go to our Wi-Fi settings, and it's going to be the unit that says Trimble base or Trimble and the last 4 digits of the serial number. I'm going to go connect. And then it's asking for your security key, which is ABCDE, ABCDE. And we'll say OK. Alright, now we're going to go to our web browser. And we're going to type in the IP address, which is 192.168.142.1. Alright, so now we're going to go to receiver status and then to identity. And so the default for all of these units is Trimble. And so when you connect up with the data collector, what you're going to see is when you scan for devices, you'll see the device serial number and then you'll see Trimble behind it. And so that's what we want to change to make it a little easier to identify what we're connecting to. So we'll just erase that, and for this example I'm going to use one of my rental kits. So I'm going to enter my kit number for my rover, and then I also have a base option code on here. So I'm going to enter base/rover because I can connect either as a base or a rover, so that way it's just kind of easy for me to identify when I connect up with the data collector that I have a base code installed on this unit. Another thing you may want to do is if you have different crews or different crew names, you may want to enter that here, just so you know this rover is associated with crew number 2, or something, just to make it a little easier to know which unit it is you're connecting to. So we'll say OK, and it's going to give us this warning, and OK. Alright, and now we're going to go to the data collector and scan for the device. Okay, so I've got my rover I'm trying to connect to, and so what I'm going to do is go to my home screen, and then GPS, and connect. Alright, so we want to connect to our rover. We're going to go Bluetooth, and we're going to scan for devices. So you can see it pulled up. Now we have that R-SPS-R8 base/rover. So we can see this is rover kit R8. It's got a base code on it and it's got a precise rover code on it. So the default is going to be SPS985, the serial number, and then Trimble is what you would typically see. And so it helps to uniquely identify the units, just to make it a little quicker and easier to detect which unit you're connected to. So instead of trying to look at the bottom of the unit and figure out, well, what's the serial number, you can know, well, this is kit R8, and this is it right here, so I'm just going to select that. So I hope this helps you, and thanks for watching.